Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new clean with me video. This is my new house and here is some cleaning motivation for you all. If you are new to my channel, I do motivational videos like this all the time. Please do consider subscribing and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy it. Let's get our clean on and let's do this. Okay, so the first thing that I like to do is clear the sides bit by bit, especially in the kitchen, and that's the bit that I clean first and then I put it all back. I am using diluted Zoflora and my favourite at the moment is Country Gardens. Please let me know in the comments what your favourite scent is. And yeah, I'm just cleaning the cupboards now because we need to get cleaning all of the handles and all of that with everything that's going on at the moment. I love using Cif on the hob, it makes it so shiny and look how satisfying this is. I mean, tell me that's not satisfying. I love it. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high. And it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things to do. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, I always like to clean the plug sockets and the light switches. I put a little bit of antibacterial spray like Zoflora or something onto the cloth and then I wipe over it, and I'm doing the same with the toaster as well. Obviously I don't drench the actual appliance with it because that's dangerous, but yeah, that is what I do to clean all the plug sockets and electricals. And look at that, I definitely need to clean that.
I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside, writing down all the things that I miss, and in the letters you take form. No, I won't go back tonight with a habit to the restless me. I'm leaving all that stuff behind. We can start all over in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing.
So now on to cleaning the vent out of the extractor fan. Here I'm using normal washing up liquid because I never had anything else, and what I would suggest to use is a degreaser, depending on how bad yours is, a degreaser, and you want the Platinum Fairy washing up liquid. It does amazing, honestly. It is really good at getting it up really quickly and is less elbow grease for you really.
I'm the first one to get off at the station. There's something in the air that I can't place, and now I see a silhouette in the dark. It's like time has stood still. I'm gonna hold you tighter this time around. Now feeling like I need to escape. The world outside only made me numb, 'cause I just wanna be here.
now on to the dreaded washing. How many loads, I'm really curious, how many loads of washing do you do a day, and how big is your family? Let me know in the comments. At the moment I'm doing quite a few in a day, but I am trying to keep on top of my washing, seeing as I'm not working at the moment.
Your eyes, the love is blind. I thought I saw you smile.
So here we go, it's time to tackle the kids' mess. I mean, is this just my children, or are your children the same? They cause such a mess, and I literally, look at what I'm doing here. I'm actually trying to colour code the Play-Doh, which I don't know why I do it to myself, because literally by the next day, it comes all out and it goes everywhere. I don't know why I do it to myself. I'm mad.
Reason why I thought I caught your eyes. The love is blind. I thought I saw you smile.
Think I'm crazy, but I know I am. Losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since.
That looks so much better. I'm so happy that I cleaned it now. I mean, when you're in the middle of it, you're like, oh my god, why did I start? And then you see the end result for 5 minutes while it lasts, and you think, yes, I'm glad I did that.
Better off, we're getting close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off, we're getting close, keep calling each other friends. Calling each other friends. Don't try to please me, not sure that you can. Don't get me started, babe, cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm not good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off, we're getting close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need.
you're an OG, you will remember this. That basket that I've got there with toilet roll in, I obviously got that from the charity shop, and then I DIY'd it and done a spray paint on it and made it beautiful, and I've still got it.
I'm by myself but never alone. I got my friends when I'm on my own. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking it close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking it close, keep calling each other.
So here I'm using the Duck Fresh brush set. Honestly, I have said this on my channel before, I highly recommend it. It's such a hygienic way to clean your toilet, and you can just flush it away. It's that simple, and it's just so nice. Look how good it cleans as well. It literally shines that bowl. I know it's only a toilet, but honestly, these things are important.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Here I go on my daily trip out the front to clean the letterbox handle and the doorbell with an antibacterial wipe. I do this every day. It's become a routine now.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You'll wait and see if it's worth your while. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
So now on to my main bathroom, and in here, oh my goodness, I have a shower screen, which by the way is good and bad. It's terrible to clean. I mean, if you have a shower screen, you'll know what I mean. But yeah, I do normally like to scrub this up using a lime scale remover, but I never had any on me, and the problem is the shops are mad at the moment, so I can't really get any, and you're not supposed to leave the house too much. I also then like to shine it up usually with either white vinegar spray or like a window spray, that type of thing, and I like to buff it off nicely. But today I just thought, just give it a quick rinse over, give it a quick clean, and that will do for today. Okay, so this shelf gets in a hell of a mess. Can anyone give me a recommendation for storage? Because I can't really have storage on the walls because I have no space. I do have obviously under the sink, but I don't like to clutter it up too much. So I just want something on top of there by the window, but nothing too major. And also I need to get another mirror because obviously that mirror is not going to stay there and it might go up on the wall. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, any recommendations, let me know.
Something in your eye made me stay all night. I can see you are different too. Love me like a stranger, like a melody, flowing wild and free. Love me like
So that is all the cleaning done for today. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, stay safe, and bye.
Love me like a stranger.